Good morning, it's Mrs. Ibarra. For those of you who are new to Harvest, I want to say welcome. I look forward to meeting you. I'm excited for your children to be a part of this wonderful educational facility. For our returning parents, thank you again for choosing Harvest to help provide the best education that your children can get in Yuma, Arizona. I want to also let you know that the open houses are upcoming. They're going to be tomorrow, Friday, and Monday. The dates and the times and the breakdown by grade levels or new students will be here at the bottom of the screen. Be sure that you're here. Be sure that you take advantage of meeting your students' teachers and getting all the information you need. If you need uniforms, we provide just about everything you can, here during that parent night and open house. So we look forward to seeing you. We look forward to meeting you. I'll be there. I look forward to seeing all of you on the first day of school. We'll have photo op opportunities for your children. We're looking forward to an exciting year, again, being the #1 school in science in Arizona, in STEAM, in math. We're doing amazing things here at Harvest. We're looking to have a lot of the arts and music. So we look forward to working with you, working with your children to create a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. If you haven't already, look for my video that I just did this morning with all the teachers as we're teaching them how to help your child dream, how to create budgets and how to create goals and plans and career opportunities and how much those career opportunities are going to pay to meet their budgets and how they can start looking for colleges and universities, even down to kindergarten. We have a minimalized version for that because we want your children to start looking at their K-12 education as more than a necessary evil, and as some students have in the past here, but looking at it as an opportunity and a stepping stone into a great life and a great future. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting you.